nagkaroon tayo ng pandemic, di ba? So, ang nakasaad kasi sa ating Republic Act number 11037, wherein ito ay title, Masustansyang Pagkain para sa Batang Pilipino Act. Naka-state kasi doon, nung pandemic, continuous pa rin ang pagbigay ng rasyon sa mga bata. Nung wala pang pandemic kasi, ang binibigay natin sa mga bata ay hot meals. Meaning to say, because it's school-based, doon natin ginagawa niluluto yung pagkain for the beneficiaries. Pero since nagkaroon ng pandemic, sinip po natin sa nutritious food products or dry ration, wherein the parents pick up the ration of their children tapos inuuwi sa bahay. Or if kaya, kung basta safe ang mga teachers, they deliver the food commodities sa kanilang mga households. Ano yung mga food items na binibigay natin? In partnership with different stakeholders and partners, meron po tayong mga suppliers just like yung Department of Education under the Philippine Carabao Center wherein they provide fresh milk. Then we also have the nutritious food products o yung dry ration, yung napakasikat natin Nutriban, which is provided by Mayfair Bake Shop and the Solid Brass Bake Shop. And also we have the Nutridense Food Corporation wherein they also provide the iron fortified rice for our beneficiaries. So itong NFP na to, this will last up to 120 days wherein binibigay po namin ito weekly sa ating mga beneficiaries. Sa ating schools, we have 4 drop-off points kung saan doon kinukuha ng mga teachers or mga coordinators yung mga ration ng kanilang mga beneficiaries, which includes yung apat na drop-off points, just like yung Central 1 Elementary School, we have 1 drop-off point there, Central 2 Elementary School, and we have Tarang Central School and Abanang Central School. So every Monday, meron po tayong delivery ng food products. And yung ating fresh milk, it will be implemented soon sa EPIC po, which is good for 43 days, kagaya sinabi ko kanina. So we are preparing for some documents para mag-prepare na rin po yung mga elementary schools natin para sa ating implementation ng SPFP milk component. So sa SPFP, meron po tayong dalawang part kasi. The SPFP nutritious food products at saka SPFP milk component. Okay, so we hope na sana this month, dahil we already finished 69 days out of 120 days, na sana nag-improve na yung mga nutrition status ng mga bata. So we still have 51 days left more from March up to May. Matatapos po tayo ng May 13 of this year.